Hello! Today we're going to be learning about how to use the appointment book. Now this is the appointment book right here. So in the left panel, you've got 4 tabs. The first one allows you to navigate to any point in time. For instance, if I want to see the appointments on Monday the 2nd of May, here they are, and in the little highlight here is today. You can also skip 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 weeks ahead, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 months ahead, because that's how you view your schedule, by weeks and not by day. Here you can unlock your schedule. The gray areas here are areas not available online, and unavailable blocks like this one allows you to create in 2 clicks, like click, click, and save. There's your unavailable block right there. So this is your appointment book. You can see it you can see today only, 3-day work week, 6 days, or the whole week. Up to 3 days, this tab right here allows you to see all of your professionals. So you can have the view that most suits your need. Right here is your waiting list. And these are filters, so you can filter your schedule based on whether or not a patient has arrived, a patient is absent. I'll let you discover the usefulness of this, but it's very practical. So let's get to how to manage an appointment. So to manage an appointment, I'll choose, let's say, Christina right here. You click on an area that's available in the schedule, and you search for a patient. Now the first characters will be last name, and if you put a space and start typing, you'll filter down your results by first name, okay, by last name and first name. And all you have to do is click create. Now what you're going to see here is that François Poulineau here has been booked for this particular appointment type. This is the default appointment type for that professional. So if I click on Chanel and look for François Poulineau and start creating an appointment, we have a different type of appointment because her default appointment is not the same. So that's how you create appointment, but you can also create an appointment for the same person. And this time we're going to dive deep into changing the appointment type. So this could be a new patient. This optimizes your schedule as to not create any gaps. Okay. And this is the duration, schedule, professional. You can adjust all that and even stretch the time to the way that you want to. And you can make it repeat. Let's say weekly. I can make this repeat 12 times on Tuesdays and Thursdays at the same time, and go create. And now we've got 12 appointments in the process of being created for that patient. Now if I click on it, the next appointments will be here. They can be managed by clicking right here. So you're skipping ahead to that appointment. And if I come back to today on the 18th, to manage this appointment, I can click here, and from here I can edit the appointment, I can reschedule it, cancel it, or delete it. This button triggers the express checkout, so that will send an SMS to the patient to let them know that we have billed their card if they supplied it at the booking site. This allows you to manually create an invoice, but all the charges are added automatically because they're configured in your appointment type. So your appointment type is also a template for booking. And when you save the invoice, you can then save the payment. And so also here is where you can take notes. So by clicking here, we open the default note template, but here's all of your note templates right here. They can be as simple and as complicated as you can make them. So they adapt to doctors or hairdressers just the same. And you can even draw and doodle and save notes. When you're done, you just close the appointment, and that's it. You're ready for the next one. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give it a thumbs up and don't hesitate to share and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye now.